JFK III FCC. Customization of the dual watch function. This function allows you to customize the second channel scanned by the dual watch function. Start with a short press of the F key. F is displayed on the screen. Then long press the F key to enter the menu. Use the up-down keys on the radio or use the up-down keys on the microphone to select the dual watch set menu. Press the EMG key to validate. The current value blinks on the display. Use up-down keys on the radio or use the up-down keys on the microphone to select the channel you wish to make the second channel. Short press the EMG key to validate. Short press the F key to validate and exit the menu. If no key is pressed, the unit exits the menu after 10 seconds. The dual watch channel default is 09. The dual watch will now monitor both the default channel and the channel you are currently on. To start monitoring, press and hold the scan button. The radio will now cycle between these two channels and stop when an incoming signal is detected.
Break 19, break 19. This is the President JFK III.
If, after a short period, no signal is detected, it will again begin to scan. You're all set. Please be sure to check out our other instructional videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe to receive notifications when our new content is added.